How to refund purchase on Google Play. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you search refund policies of your region. As you can see, it is only possible within 120 days of the transaction. After that, what you can do is simply open Play Store on your device. Click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen in the Play Store, which will open these options. Click on Payments and Subscriptions. Now click on Budget and History, which is the third option. In here, you'll find all your purchase history. Simply click on the arrow-like icon on the right side. Then click on Refund at the bottom. After you've clicked on Refund, press on Yes and it will refund your purchase, but this is only available within 120 days. And this is how to refund purchase on Google Play. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.